Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPad Air 2025. Begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPad Air. Then download Send Anywhere app on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set it up. Let's start with iPad 1. Hit whatever you want to in this pop-up. Then tap on Allow Full Access in Photo Library 1 and whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on an Android, hit I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. Whatever you want to in this window about new updates. And after all that, just tap on your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner. Now hit Receive under Send on the left of your iPad. And go back to an Android to use all of those categories at the top. Thanks to them, you can pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Then you need to select Camera Access, so allow in the pop-up. Allow camera access, sorry. And then point your device's camera at this code. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!